Man, stop playing with the boy. Man, we in shot, top of the hour. Good morning, guys. What's going on? 9:30 in the morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I was looking at 100 right now. Guys, the chart's doing too much today, but we here. We still gotta lock in. We still gotta come inside and check everything out. See how things are going. Even if the market is not looking the best today, we still gotta at least come in and see what we can make happen. Welcome back, guys. Still enjoying the win from yesterday. So on that note, let's go right into it and let's try to find another win today. Um, looking at US 30, I was doing a bit of a breakdown on US 30. So we did come up here, guys, and at the level of supply and came right back down. And right now it seems like we're fighting this high. So if we don't get any more bullish momentum above this supply, guys, after 945, then I probably will not enter buys. It's kind of risky, simply because we can do a lot of sideways motion, and I'm not trying to get caught into that. I want to see straight momentum, either up or down. I don't want to get caught on the sideways movement. I also was checking out gold. Um, when it comes to gold, um, let me see when it pops up so I remember. Okay, yeah, we had a push during London, so gold is looking a bit nicer. We had a push today, I believe, like at 7:45. Yeah, there you go, 7:30, 7:45. We had a push to the upside, breaking this structure here. So let's see if we get a pullback now or soon, so we can try to push up, you know, up towards this area around here on gold, and see if we're able to manage to get a buy on gold. So right now, man, the market is looking a bit slow. Not a lot of momentum. I'm checking on the news right now. See if we got any news coming up. Let me see. Yeah, 10:40. We got some AUD news. That's not gonna do anything to what we trade. At least I hope so. It is a rep folder. That's around 10:40, 11 a.m. The markets are looking iffy, so we don't want to we don't want to risk the capital just because we want to say, oh, we got in today and we traded today. Sometimes it's just we see the market, and we study what's going on, and if we don't find a move or an edge in the market for us to get into, then it's better off not to get into any trades and then regret it later. We got to take care of our psychology here, man. That's very, very important. So then we can be confident to take a trade tomorrow. We lose confidence today, then it's harder to take a trade tomorrow. I'm trying to fix this hoodie here. I don't know which way, whatever, but hey, rocking the 89 visuals hoodies again. You know, what can I say? It's comfy, it's big, large. Good size. It's motivating. It's motivating seeing the people around me you know, trying to succeed, trying to build something from the ground up. So let's see what's popping. So gold is looking a bit slow. It's moving a bit slow. Check out US 30 again. See what's going on with US 30, guys. Okay, again, seems like we're creating some sort of a double top. Guys, if we don't get a break below this structure here, I'm just gonna mark it here. If we don't get a break below this structure, we are not selling. We are not selling the market. We're only selling the market if we get a break below this structure. Then this means we have this clear traffic on this area here to come back to this 15-minute demand or even lower. So We're not messing with it unless we break this structure right here. Okay. This is the 9:30 to 9:45 candle, the famous candle I always wait for, guys. What's popping, man? Yeah, what's popping? G. What's going on? What's going on, man? What's going on? Man, I got the glasses. The boy's about to go fishing later, so I got the glasses just for motivational purpose only. I'm trying to see how they look on stream though. No, let me see what it looking like. Yeah, yeah. I'm digging it, man. I'm digging it, man. We gonna put them down though. We gonna put them down. Okay, guys. So you see this 945 candle, this 932, 945 candle. Um, is showing a lot of rejection to the downside. So it's not breaking below this level. So we're definitely not looking for sales right now. And like I said, this supply level here is a strong level for US 30, which is brought price down, but it did not break any major structures once it came down. So it's not a major structure, meaning that supply is not on demand. It's not in demand. So if supply is not in demand or supply is not in control, then that means the demand side is stronger, and we're looking um, for a break of that supply. So let's see how this candle behaves to see if we're able to get an entry, guys. Again, we're coming off of a W. We're coming off a win yesterday, so today we're kind of like playing it very safe, as you should always play it. But today we're extra safe because we don't want to lose the profits we made. Okay, um, that would be heartbreaking. Then we gotta come over that loss, and we don't want to go ahead and do that. We want to uh, build from that W that we got yesterday. Okay, so let's wait on this candle and see exactly what we're going to do. So it's 9:42. We got 3 minutes. Man, let me see what's going on with gold. Let me see what's going on with gold right now. Okay, guys. So yeah, gold is having a push down, which is normal. I wanted to see that from gold in order for us to enter anything now. Depends where gold is going to stop. Let's see if we see any imbalances, any levels where this currency might come to, and it might be down here. Okay, we might sweep all of this liquidity here and come down here. So let's see if gold pushes all the way down here. Then I will be interested in taking a trade from gold. So let's go ahead and set an alarm here. Even though this is a very good level as well, guys. Created highs breaking this structure to the left. Actually, we had a break of this structure as well, so this is a very good level as well, guys. It's a very good level as well. Okay, so let's see how it's behaving here. Remember, guys, gold can come all the way down here, so we don't want to anticipate an early buy and become liquidity. Okay, so the point here is let gold sweep the liquidity. Excuse me. Once it shows us as buying, then we go ahead and enter the trade. Look at that push by gold. Nice push. Guys, we're only entering gold unless we get something around this area here. Maybe this area. This is what I'll be looking for exactly. Over here. Over here. Right. This is what I would want for gold. Right here. It can look like it's going to give you a buy right now, and if it does, it's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with not buying gold. If it buys from there, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with that. And you have to be okay with that. Some of them you're gonna catch, some of them you have to let go because just the risk, it's not worth. It's not worth. So let's go back to US 30. Let's see exactly what this 15-minute candle did. Guys, I need a closure. I need a closure above this level. I need a closure above this level here in order for me to enter US 30. Need a closure above this level. Let's check out to what level we went to from yesterday. Okay, so we were in a London demand that broke these small or this minor structure here to the left. Okay, we did not come up to retest this level. So we can come up to retest this level and fall off. So let's see exactly what happens. We can come over here, test this level, use this as support, and keep flying up. Okay, let me remove this so I don't confuse myself. Let me show you the daily. The major rejections to the downside. We had broken above, guys. Remember, we created that double top. This daily is closing in 7 hours, guys. It's looking very bullish right now. 4-hour close with rejection. We had a new 4-hour come back and retrace. Seems like it's using this level as support and it's bouncing back, guys. We want to see this candle break above this level and keep taking off. This is a major supply zone we're in here, guys. Major supply zone, but remember, this supply zone did not break any major structures. Okay, maybe some internal structure here, but did not break major structures. One hour. I want the 1 hour to turn bullish as well. If we're gonna go for a buy, I want that 1 hour to turn bullish, guys. You see a lot of rejection at this level here. This is 1 hour, 2, 3. We're working on 4 hours. 11 more minutes to be 4 hours. Working on this level here. Okay, so major level of rejection, guys. Keep that in mind. One moment, guys. I'm gonna still be here on the charts, just taking a phone. You see, guys. So actually, excuse me, I'm back. But okay. So you see, guys, nothing yet on US 30. Um, we haven't found the momentum up, and that's okay. We're not inside any trades. That's okay. We knew this was gonna happen. It's a slow day. There's no news. There's nothing, and I can see by the behavior of the currency exactly of the type of momentum that it has, and there's no momentum. So sideways movement. We did not want to get caught in that. So this is a W. This is a W for us, guys, because if you are impatient and you just don't care about your capital, and then you just want to be inside a trade just to say, oh, I traded today, then you're going to come across these things where you're in sideways movement, meaning that you're not moving up or down, so you're not seeing any profit or you're not seeing any loss. You're just moving sideways, and at any point in time you can get a rejection to the upside and a movement to the downside, and there you go, you're off the trade. You take a L, and then you got to come back from that. So let's wait for the confirmation. Be sure, and then we're inside the trade. Okay. So let's see how gold is doing. US 30 is moving very slow right now. There's not a lot going on. Let's see what gold's up to. Bam! This is exactly what I was talking about, guys. You see, so I set my alarm down here. If we go back to the 15 minute, I set my alarm down here. This is exactly where I want gold to come down to. First, we saw this level of some rejection here. We did not close above that, so obviously we did not take this level of demand as a level that's going to keep moving price towards the upside. We did not take that, so we avoided that loss already. We avoided some sideways movement on US 30. Right now, we're at another demand zone that did create some sort of imbalance here. that price came back down to, and it already hit this imbalance. So in this case, this has already been mediated. So once price comes down, it seems like it's going to push right through that imbalance over to this demand zone. This is a 50-minute demand zone, and it is about a demand zone since it cost new highs. Okay, so let me label this for you guys. 15-minute demand. This is valid, guys. It's a valid demand zone. But this is the one that we like ultimately. If I was to get into a gold buy today, be confident about it, and put my capital at risk, and put my capital at risk, and put my psychology at risk, I would choose this demand zone up here. Well, down here, because this is up here. I would choose this demand zone down here. Just because if gold decides to break below this, it's probably going to go even lower. So this is probably the extreme. Probably no, this is the extreme. This is the extreme of this currency right now. So we still have the alarm here in case we tap in here. So we will be notified. Now, as far as this level here, if you guys see a 5 minute bullish candle, bullish engulfing, then you can take a look at this level as a possible level to sweep these highs right here. So you will be looking for a trade from here, from this 15-minute demand to here. You can still make heavy profits here, but look at all the risk that you're taking, because price at any moment can just drop down. Okay, so look at all the risk that you're taking. This is all risk here. Very risky. Let's look at US 30. Yes, you see, guys? You see? So we got the push to the downside that we already saw. We got the 5 minute engulfing. Let's see what the 15 minutes looking like. And give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. I'm still here on the charts. Okay, guys, so we finally saw that push above, like I said. Let's see if in this 15-minute we get some sort of a push down as a retracement back down to these levels, so we can possibly get into the trade. Okay, so let's see what happens here, guys. If this flies from this area right here, does not come back, it's okay. It's okay. It wasn't looking very clear. It did develop. We take something at this level right here. It's very risky. So let's see exactly how it develops, man. See exactly how it develops. Remember, I wanted the 1 hour to turn bullish. The 1 hour is bullish now. You know, very very good closure of that 1 hour, guys. I told you guys I was looking for this to be bullish. It pushed very very good into that supply zone. Like I said, this is not a major supply zone that caused any major break of structure. So to me, that supply zone is not in control. You have to respect it. You have to be aware of it, but you don't have to think that a price can turn around to the opposite way because of that supply zone. Like, seen that way too many times. So it can trick some people. It can even trick me at times. But I was aware of it today, so I saw the play by play today. Mm, let's see, you know, let's see, let's see this levels around here. See if we come down here. Let's see if we come down here. We tap this level here. I'll feel very comfortable if it taps this level here with my stops below here, then taking it right now from here with my stops here. Look how big of a gap this is, guys. You decide to take a trade here right now and your stops need to be down here, you're risking 325 points. You know, 325 points possibly to make 300 points. So that's not even a one-to-one. It's not even a one-to-one, guys. So let's wait for it here. And then once we come up here, then we're looking at a one-to-one. This is a nice level. A very nice level here to look to take profit. Let's see how we're developing in the 1 hour. See, guys, a lot of structure here that drove price down. Okay, a lot of structure here that drove price down. See the 4 hour. It's looking very very bullish, guys, with a wick to the downside. Okay, very nice. And on the daily, we still had about 7 hours for it to finish. We are 6 hours right now, and the daily's looking very very bullish, guys. Very very bullish. Okay, 15-minute is pushing down. We did sweep this liquidity, guys. Keep this in mind here. Okay, keep this in mind. Very very important. Okay, every new candle closure gives you a new piece of information. And here we had a sweep of liquidity, guys, to the upside. We swept that. We swept that. So the market's job is these sellers here that were selling price down here. If they did not take profit down here, they just got swept out, unless their stops were right here. Okay, but if their stops were right at break even, these guys are out of the market right now. It's not just get to this demand zone and take the trade blindly. It's get to that demand zone and see the proper reaction. Without the proper reaction, we don't have a trade. You're just guessing, you know. All right, I'm getting ready to set my positions. If this is the level that shows me what I want, I'm okay with entering the trade, which stops here. Stops below this level, risking about 220 pips, 220 points to make around 400 points. So this is about a 1 to 2, guys. This is about a 1 to 2. We're pushing down. Go down to our 5 minute. See exactly what's going on in a smaller time frame. It doesn't get better than this, guys. Step by step, trading like I trade, seeing what I see, you know, repetition. Repetition is the key. You see, good level. I wouldn't be surprised if it pushes from there. That's a very nice level, guys. Like I said, that's why that when you see that yellow line there, at least on my charts, that's those are big levels only. That's just not there for looks. That's there for a reason. Major levels. Major levels. Look at that 5 minute pushing. Major levels, guys. Let's see if this 30 minute here. Um, yes, 30 minute. Never really tapped into it. The demand zone. And the 1 hour is even smaller. Let's see what happens. There's definitely buying pressure right now from that level. It says a 15 minute and a 30 minute demand zone. Very powerful, guys. 30 minute demand zone. I lost space. 30 minute and 15 minute and 30 minute demand zone. Very powerful, guys. Label it like that so we have a visual how strong that level is. Very strong level. Make it a little smaller so it can be on this screen right here when we drop down to the 5 minute and we zoom in. Let's go. I wouldn't be surprised if price takes off from there. As you can see, it did not close below, closed right on top, and we got this 5 minute pushing. I would not be surprised if it takes off from there, and that's okay. I wanted it to tap this demand so I can enter with my strategy, with how I feel confident entering the trade. It's okay if it takes off from there. It's okay. Pushing nicely. If US 30 was going to take off from here, we're going to see a break here, a break of this new liquidity. Once we see a break of that new liquidity, then yeah, we're taking this. This was the level. It's taking off from there, and we missed it by less than a pip. We missed it by 5 pips, 5 points on US 30, which is literally that small. literally that small. 5 minute closed. See what this 5 minute is doing now. 15 minute closes in this next 5 minute candle. Oh yeah. We have to wait, guys. We have to wait. So it's a waiting game. Nice, looking nice. One second, guys. What they do, guys? I'm back. Hold up. Let me at least throw this right now. You know, that's the only thing I got right now. But hey, we still popping. We still popping. We still popping. If you ain't fighting for what you want, you ain't popping, bro. If you ain't doing whatever it takes, you ain't popping. Um. So with that being said, guys, what can I say? Today we showed up. We showed out. We're here. We were ready for any setups that could have developed. But as you can see, nothing really developed to my liking. I see right here developing some sort of a push to the upside, probably with TPs above here. But if I would have taken this trade, guys, keep in mind I would have had to put stop loss. Actually, I would have taken the trade from up here, and I would have had stop loss over here. A 7 pip stop loss on gold for a 5 pip green. It's not even a 1-to-1. It's not. Excuse me, guys. It's not ideal for me to take that trade simply because the risk to reward ratio is just not there for me. So I did not take this trade. Not a good trade setup for me. Not taking it. There's probably many people that took it and they're in a lot of profit, and that's okay. We don't have to take everything. I see setups every day, multiple setups a day. But if it's not an A1 setup, I'm just not gonna take it simply because it's too much to lose. Not only money, but a lot of your mental you lose every time you take a L. Then when you come back to the market, you know it's hard to come back from that. As far as US 30, um, we just swept here. We swept down here right now. This level of liquidity is looking very strong right now. So it can be a possible setup that I take. So I'm gonna keep my eye on it and see what we do with it. We back. So what can I say? US 30 has not given me something that I like, so we're not in. Simple, simple, simple. Let's see. Pushing. All right, guys. So what I was getting into before I had a phone call. I take phone calls, guys, because I'm running multiple businesses at the same time. Just because I'm trading full time or I'm on the charts at a certain time doesn't mean I can't handle other stuff. This is the beauty of trading. It allows you to juggle multiple things at once. I apologize, if your watch gets interrupted. But even though I'm handling stuff on the phone, I keep my eyes on the chart the whole time. Even when I go fishing later on today, I'm still gonna have charts. Simply, it's just something I do 24/7, unless I really can't get to the charts or know. But typically, I always got the eyes on the charts. People comment all the time, "Hey, what's gold doing?" I know what gold is doing. Gold is pushing it to the upside from a level of demand that I didn't like. Yo, where's US 30 at? Bro, I didn't take a trade because it's at a level of demand that I don't like. So I know last 100, hey, it wasn't moving the way that I like. So I always know where the currency that I trade, whether the day. With that being said, I'm waiting on the push from USD, guys. It's already about to be 11 a.m. I'm about to cut the string short today. There's not a lot of movement with US 30. I will have to see a break above the 39 400. I'll break above that for me to take a trade, but then my stops will be the other way down here. So it's like a big risky. It's a big risky stop loss that I'm just not willing to take. And just for a 1-to-1, I wish it would have set up differently. Then it would have been a smarter setup for me to take. So at this time I'm just gonna keep my account off US 30 and not risk anything because like I said, every time you lose, you not only lose capital, you lose peace of mind, and it takes time to get your confidence back and be able to take the next trade. So there's a process in between. So sometimes it's better not to risk that and keep the winning mentality from yesterday. Skip today, and then tomorrow is another day. So with that being said, I love you guys. I love me, and tomorrow is another day. Hopefully, we got better setups at 9:30. Come in, vibe out. Let's see if we make some money together, and join the free Telegram. Like I said, guys, it's posted on the link there. You can just click on it, join. You'll be able to trade with me every day, see exactly what setups I take. You'll be able to see all the trade breakdowns that I do throughout the day, and I post either on my social media, on my Instagram, or I post right here on the YouTube. You'll be able to see step by step what I do and start to implement those things, guys. Start to implement those things on a daily basis, and it's just gonna make you, 1% better every day, 1% better every day, 1% better every day, until you have that confidence to sit in front of the laptop, and take the trades. It takes a lot to do that, especially because everyone is afraid of losing money, but it's almost impossible to not to not lose money when it comes to an industry like this. Even everyone that's made money here has lost money as well. I don't know of anybody that's made money that hasn't lost any. And what's going on with US 30? What does it want to make me? What does it want to make me get in this trade? But like I said, the risk is too high, guys. Tomorrow we might see a break above this supply already, and maybe a drop down, and then we can go ahead and take it. All right. So for now, we're keeping the hands off US 30. Man, why is it looking so bullish right now? This happens, guys. Let me stick around and see exactly what happens. Let me stick around on stream and see exactly what happens, because regardless, even if I cut the stream right now, I'm still gonna look at US 30 and see exactly what's gonna happen. So we got the break above Let me see this 15-minute candle. Was it a 15-minute closure? Yes, guys. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Let me see how this behaves. I would like to ideally see a push down, close above, and go. That's what I want to see on the 15-minute. If I was to enter this trade, I want to push down. I want to push down here and then take it to TP. I'm gonna set a buy limit, guys. I'm gonna set a buy limit here. Actually, I'm not gonna set a buy limit. Let's wait and see. Let's see what this 15-minute does, guys. Let me stick around for another 15 minutes. See exactly what we got going on. Give me one moment, guys. Guys, nice push to the upside. Very, very, very nice push to the upside, guys. We were waiting for this to develop the whole session, but it just developed in a way that I didn't like, and that's why I didn't enter the trade. You know, I would have liked to see some bullish candles, or like a bullish engulfing candle from here. It gave me the bullish engulfing candle here, so you know, you could have taken the trade here up. You could have taken the trade here just to keep going up, but your stops, keep in mind, will be down here, guys. It's just not the ideal trade for me. It's not developing how I like it to develop. It's very different from the setups that I like to take, so that's why I did not take it. Once again, guys, love, peace. Join the free Telegram. We'll be here tomorrow, same time, same place, 9:30 a.m. Expect a banger every time I'm on stream. Like I said, if we don't catch it, if we don't catch a trade, if we don't catch no pips, if we don't catch a dub, it's because the setup was simply not there. And it's better not to catch a W than chase a W and end up with an L. So today we still win. We didn't go inside a trade. We did not risk our capital. We did not risk our mind, you know, our peace of mind. So our psychology is still there. We're still ready for tomorrow. We're still hungry for more W's, and we'll do that tomorrow. With that being said, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.